Hey there, let's hide and unhide special comment or any comment on Instagram. The first step, go to your Instagram app and then simply tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next step, we should find any specific post that we want to comment and hide some comments. For example, I select my second post. When you selected your post, you should tap on a comment icon over here in the middle of these three options. And you'll be able to see option under any of comment hide. Simply tap on hide. As you can see, comment hide. So if you want to unhide this specific comment, you should again open this specific post, then tap on comment section over here, then tap on view hidden comments, and then under this hidden comment tap on unhide. From the period menu, proceed to unhide.
If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comments section below. Hit the like button, tell me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else. I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I will catch you guys in the next video.